Hey everybody, this is Matt at the Bucks 3D Expo here with Abba from Allegheny. What do you guys have here today?
Cool, so we've got some of our 3D printed samples here. So this is from our Stratasys product line. Essentially we've got two types of 3D printing going on. We've got our filament based, so that uses your traditional filament spool, which is basically a type of plastic that's melted down. Then over here we've got our resin-based system. Essentially it's kind of like an inkjet system. You'll have your resin cartridges at the bottom there. Essentially they're shot through heads at the top and then cured via UV laser to generate your parts.
So traditionally speaking, most of the resin printing has been in a bed where you're printing up from a bottom, surface. That's, I guess, infrared, right? This change in technology, first of its class, right? So what does it mean for either print speed or accuracy, or what changes with this?
Yeah, so Stratasys has been doing a kind of similar inkjet system where they don't do the pulling up from a vat of resin. They'll just use a sort of a print head. And essentially that does help with accuracy. That's what we'll see oftentimes, is you'll have more accurate parts than resin printers that use that vat. What's cool about the J55 unit here is that, like I said before, they used to just have a stationary build platform and a head that would move from side to side. What this does is it cuts down on your build time because it allows you to jet that resin and then cure it with that UV laser in a continuous process.
And it looks so much cooler.
It's hypnotizing.
Right, it's incredible. I was standing here staring at it yesterday for like
That's
5
me,
minutes.
just sitting at this table.
That's so cool.
Right in it.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming out.
No problem. Thanks for having us.
Thanks, guys.